Are you struggling to set up your Brother MFC-J4335DW using a wireless network? Well, it's very easy once you know which methods to choose for quick Wi-Fi setup. So in today's video, I'll walk you through WLAN method step by step to get your printer connected to Wi-Fi quickly and easily. If you need extra help, call the numbers on your screen. Let's get started. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, on your printer, press the settings button on the control panel. Now, scroll down and open Network. Under Network, select WLAN. Select the Find Wi-Fi Network option to begin searching for available networks. Wait for the printer to search for available SSIDs. Just give it a moment to complete the scan. Once the search is over, select your Wi-Fi router from the list that appears. At last, enter your Wi-Fi password and press OK to connect. And finally, your Brother MFC-J4335DW is now connected to Wi-Fi and ready to print wirelessly. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.